start with doing the let and the constant that we have used before. So start with let n variable s and y. That data type is any, means it can store any type of value. It could be a number, it could be string, it could be boolean, as what you want. So means simple dot just console dot and type the value of this. So let only uses the value, last value that we store in it. Like we define 55 as a number before, but then we define 46. So it will look up the 46 from that string value. So from the code, space yes, was not. So now go to this refresh. So you see, you will get the 46 that we typed after the value. If we change there, we go to this, and you see that it only takes the last value that is assigned to. Another thing is the constant. So let the constant as similar. Variable cannot be any person so sign to similar concept. So the correct way to define is different in this. Constant that is equals to the value that we have to assign this. So you see that constant divided by only. If we want again to define constant again value y so string will shows an error because we cannot declare a constant constant. If we use let here, then we can do this, but with constant we cannot do this. So another variable which is var means variable, which is using JavaScript. So variable is just used in that we can use it globally and inside a function only. If we want to use in outside a function, let's say function dot add arguments a start the function here and let something not depending on that. And what is AS y is if yes and right. So now we see that so there's not showing any error, but if we define outside there, not globally, also function like function we define this variable and then showing the error because cannot find the name ASNY because as I told that variable is only used in the global scope and in the function scope. If you use outside the global scope or function, it cannot it also show always show that it cannot find this variable. Same thing is with the let variable. If you doing this, then it also shows the error because let and variable almost are same, but the main difference between them that let can be used in TypeScript and variable we are using the JavaScript. So such a code if we try in the if function is equals is greater than less than a that's again. So it's greater than the value 10. We will find something variable that is called so which is here from here cannot find any age, so we do not define any variable right here. So let's define it fully. Constant is both. Object is possibly undefined. So we define if where based the age. Okay, showing error because we are comparing values. So that page is equals to so if age is so let's try here and so value of the age. And the page is before assigning, so it is error because so this is only error showing the type paper. If you are we are using the JavaScript, then this error can be found. So another thing we can use here is the let here. So the let so now it is showing that cannot find any source. Let and constant are the same inside the function that is in the block. Use it and it shows and not show any errors.
Always available in the block in which you want.
To the next point. Now start using the arrow function, which is like this function assignment that used in JavaScript. So this is used by defining a constant, let's say add value which holds some values. There's a function which just like this. Passing the parameters. Issuing an error because your file union allows that which has the same function add and all the same arguments and same. So that's why this is showing an error. Let's change the name of the variable. Right. So here we are using function without by using this arrow. So it is just signing. So it should define the void type, return type. So we can use just provide this. So return that could be just shorten the code. It will be like this. Just this is just a function right now. If you want to check this, then also log function arguments. Let's do on to go to the browser. So I see to this one add and shows the answer there. So function can be used like this, and another we use like this. You can you can see like name of the variable, name of the function, typing in the arguments. It's type, it's type, define function here, return here. These both have methods which can be used to define a function. Important thing that it only return a single return type. If you want to return more than one thing, let's just type a minus b into b, then we have to use the normal function by typing the function and defining inside the function. Then we cannot use this type of function. Now understanding the add function in the function. So as we seen before, we can define the function just like this, that make a variable just that is a function name that equals the parameters. These are the parameters and this is the type of the parameter, and by using bracket we just giving the return values. So see that this is the function and which has parameter is string, which return the type, which returns the value which is string. So we are using arrow function by not using the function command here. So just to save the lines of the code or just to save time, we use arrow functions.